Billing errors can be frustrating, but resolving them quickly is essential for maintaining smooth operations. Follow these steps to address billing discrepancies in Matillion effectively. Step 1. Identify the error. Review your billing statement carefully to pinpoint the specific error. Look for discrepancies in charges, usage, or any unexpected fees that do not align with your expectations. Step 2. Gather documentation. Collect all relevant documents, including invoices, usage reports, and any communication with Matillion support. Having this information on hand will help clarify the situation when you reach out for assistance. Step 3. Contact customer support. Reach out to Matillion's customer support team via their official support channels. Provide them with a clear description of the billing error and attach any documentation you gathered to support your claim. Step 4. Follow up. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SRC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Review resolution. Once Matillion addresses a billing error, review the resolution carefully. Ensure that the corrections are reflected in your account and that you understand any changes made to your billing structure moving forward. By following these steps, you can efficiently resolve billing errors in Matillion and maintain a positive relationship with the service.